Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about some of the deficiency diseases which are also covered in the topic nutrition. You know, human body becomes some deficiency diseases are caused due to not taking of proper diet. We have to take proper diet. Otherwise, you will get the diseases. What is proper diet? In our proper diet, we are going to take, we first take carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. If any of the deficiency is there, from whether carbohydrate deficiency or protein deficiency or fat deficiency or vitamin deficiency or mineral deficiency, you will get some deficiency diseases. Today we can cover 3 deficiency diseases. One is Kwashiorkor disease. Second is Marasmus disease. Third is obesity. And fourth is Pellagra disease. So, a number of diseases are caused in human body due to microorganisms, but we should not think that microorganisms only causes diseases in our body. Some of the diseases are deficiency diseases which are caused by not taking, we can say improper diet of carbohydrate or proteins or fats or vitamins or minerals. But if you take all this in proper proportion, then it is called as a balanced diet. So we have to take always balanced diet. In Kwashiorkor disease, what happens is the child becomes very weak and he will not take proper carbohydrates, so there will be deficiency of calories in the body. So this is called as calorie malnutrition. In the Marasmus disease, the person is deficient in proteins and carbohydrates. Now you see on the blackboard, first of all, only carbohydrate deficiency is there. So here both carbohydrate deficiency and protein deficiency are found. Because of this, what happens? The child becomes very much weak. He will become very thin and lean. Even the child has a very thin body. We can count the ribs of the small child. The child's hairs become faded color, and the child shows no interest in learning or even playing also. He will not show any interest because of Marasmus disease. Obesity disease means overeating of food materials. At last, Pellagra disease. This is caused due to deficiency of a vitamin called as niacin in the diet. Niacin vitamin deficiency. So we have to take proper carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, as the vitamin deficiency causes Pellagra disease. In this, hands and face and legs are having dotted, small black dots are found on the face, hands and legs. So niacin is a vitamin B3. It is also called as B3 vitamin. If you take proper minerals also, our bones will grow well and deficiency diseases will be avoided. Thanks for watching the video.